welcome back to my channel. I'm Jessica, and today I have my something old, something new, something borrowed, something blue, or hashtag old new gifted blue. It is a project that I created to do with Misty, but it is open to anyone that wants to join in, and we've had a bunch of people join in. I should have everyone listed down below. If I don't have you listed down there and you're doing this project, let me know. I'll get you put in the description box. And yeah, this is a very simple open-ended project. There's no end date to it. It is just kind of a rolling, ongoing project because it's only 4 products, and it is literally like what it sounds. An old product, a new product, a gifted product, and a blue product. Why I picked blue, I don't know. It just kind of went with the whole rhyme theme. So yeah, it's just one of those kick back, relax, have fun, and no pressure kind of projects. I like those kind of projects because yeah, I get to play a little bit. And if I want to change goals or switch out products, I don't feel bad about doing it in a project like this because it's chill, no stress. That is what I'm aiming for this year, is low stress and just enjoying it all. So definitely Misty is going to be listed down below since she was my partner in crime here. And like I said, everyone else that has joined in, I'm trying not to sneeze. I can feel it coming on, and I'm trying hard not to. Allergy season is not my friend. So I do actually have 2 empties, and they are not goals met. They are actual empties, and I'm very excited about them, which means I'm rolling in 2 things. I almost said 2 new things, but only one of them's new because the other one is old. All right, let's show you what old thing I finished. This is the Adios Warmo lotion. It is a lotion that was originally for doing like basic manicures and stuff like that. I've had it around so long. I got this when I lived in Las Vegas, and it was part of my manicure kit when I was in Kazi school, and yeah, it's old. I've been back here quite some time. As a matter of fact, I moved back here not long after 9/11. So that tells you how long I've had that product. It's kind of crazy, but it's gone now. You don't have to worry about it anymore. I'm going to recycle the packaging, and I might reuse it. I don't know. It's kind of crazy looking. Maybe if I can clean it up a little bit, I can reuse it, but it's okay if I recycle it too. All right, so my old product is out. I have a new product that's out, which makes me happy. This is the Rare Beauty. It's called Perfect Strokes. It was in black. I like the formula, but this was a deluxe size. This wand, seriously, like, how do you not hurt yourself with this thing? It's so fat and so short that I struggled. I struggled with this. I really did like the formula. The brush was nice, but the wand was just too short, and the packaging was just too wide. Like, I was hitting myself trying to, I can't tell you how many times I poked myself in the eye trying to use this. And it's not the mascara's fault. It's just whoever designed the packaging for their deluxe size was not brilliant. So that's all I'm going to say. But I mean, the mascara itself was really nice. So those are my 2 empties. I will be bringing in something old and something new. Now on to the gifted and blue. Those products are staying in, but I'm changing the goals on them because I want to play. I want to play. So I know. There's a lot of things I want to get finished this year, and I specifically have like 100 makeup, 50 beauty. These 2 products are not in either of those lists, so I can play around with the other things. So that's what I'm going to do. My something gifted is from Vanny Cosmetics. This is Parallel Universe. It is a beautiful purple glitter. I've used this probably, I want to say 6 or 7 times since I brought it into this project, and this started January 24th. My original intent was to use it up. This is like, I don't know if it's a 26 millimeter. No, it's not a 20. It might be a 36 millimeter pan, because this, what I'm bringing in is like a 26 millimeter, which is the standard eyeshadow. This is significantly bigger. I want to say this is probably size comparison. If you remember the Tarte Party blush birthday gift, I think it was from Ulta or Sephora. I can't remember which one now. It's like that size. So it's big. I'm not going to finish it. I'm not, and I don't want to stress myself about it. I just want to play with it, enjoy it, and move on. So I'm going to, even though I've probably used this 6 or 7 times, I'm going to set a 5 usage goal, 5 more uses on this. And then when I hit those 5 uses, I'm going to roll it out. I'm going to probably roll in like another pretty shimmery topper or glitter topper or something fun. I don't know. I want fun. I want to play. And I want to bring in things that will coordinate with the stuff that I have to finish so that I can have fun with the things that I don't have to finish. That's my goal. Fun, stress-free, happy, peaceful, loving, kind. You get the drift. All right. And then my something blue. This is the Rada Argan Oil. It is 100% pure argan oil. I use this for a lot of things. My hair, especially like it in the winter time. I like this like for my hair in the winter. I like it for my skin in the winter. I put it in lotions to boost up the moisture. But you know, it's getting hot here. It's getting hot here. It was in the 90s today, and I'm a little hot. But so I think I'm going to set this at a 5 uses as well, because we're getting into the season where I don't need this as much. So instead of just letting it languish in this project, doing not much for the hot season here, the hot humid season, I'm going to use it 5 times, and then I'm going to roll it out, and I'm going to roll something else blue in, and it's probably not going to be an eyeshadow, because I'm crazy, but I'm not insane. I'm going to save that blue eyeshadow for when I get the Joker in Deck of Panning, and I hope I don't get the Joker. Alright, so I need to bring in something old and something new. And they are kind of related, only not really. You'll see in a second. I have been craving a specific eyeshadow color. I'm working on very neutral eyeshadows in a lot of projects right now, and I have interspersed some colored eyeshadows throughout other projects, but there's one color that I have been craving, and I have not had it in a project, so I've decided to bring in 2 eyeshadows of that color. One that has been in my collection for a very long time from a brand that no longer is in existence, and something that I just got for Christmas for my kids. And that color is my absolute favorite color in the whole world. Yellow. I know. 2 yellow eyeshadows is probably a little bit crazy, but I'm putting them both in for 5 uses. This is my old one. This is Coastal Scents Sunbeam. It is a super pale yellow, but it's very pretty. I don't even know if it's going to show yellow. You can see it right there. It's a really pretty color for me. I like it a whole lot. And then I'm also going to bring in, I believe it's called Pint to Go, which is this yellow right here from the ColourPop Sunday Fun Day quad. I haven't even swatched it yet, so if I can get this bad boy open, I will swatch that for you right next to the one that I just brought in from Coastal Scents. And, oh, that's a pretty quad. This one's more of a mustardy yellow, and it's got a little bit of glitter in it. And I'm not mad about that. So this one and this one right here, I think I can play with those together. Gotta wipe my fingers off. I love these microfiber cloths. They're so wonderful. So yeah, 5 uses each. Just the yellows. So this Sunbeam from Coastal Scents and this yellow, I think it's called Pint to Go, if I'm not mistaken. It's a little bit confusing the way they have it on here because, yeah, I don't know. So 5 uses, I'm going to have so much fun with it. Be prepared, there's going to be a yellow look coming up, but I also wanted yellow in because I periodically like to do a sunset look, and I need a yellow for that because I already have orange, red, purple, pinks, so like I can do the whole sunset thing now that I have a yellow to play with. It's not something I'm going to do all the time, but I have a feeling there's going to be a sunset look coming up in the future, probably in the next month, because I'm going to play with the yellow because I love it so much. All right, I'm going to wrap this up. Definitely go check out Misty and everyone else that has joined in. If you want to join in, it's like I said, it's just 4 products and something old, something new, something gifted, something blue. It can be gifted from, like, you know, friends or family, like Christmas birthday gift. It could be free gift with purchase, anything along those lines. You know, if someone you know decluttered something and they gave it to you, that's a gift. something someone else gave you, that you don't have to go out and purchase it yourself. So interpret it however you want. The rules are so relaxed. It's just chill. All right, if you are doing this and I don't know about it, let me know. I will get you in the description box. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until I see you in my next video, have a beautiful day.